This is the expandable Flexi Hose garden hose with an 8-function nozzle. This Flexi Hose garden hose expands 3 times its original size and shortens when the water is off. Storing the Flexi Hose is a breeze. This is strong and solid with 3/4 inch brass fittings that fit typical US standard garden taps. It also has a No Kink design. It also has a quick on-off feature too, as well as a trigger control. This has a lightweight construction without sacrificing quality. The elastic outer fabric has 4 layers of latex, and it protects the inner tube from sharp corners as well as thorns and punctures too. This is also very strong and durable and can withstand temperatures from 41 degrees all the way to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This also has 8 garden patterns, which includes shower, mist, soaker, angle, center, flat, cone, as well as jet too. Let me turn it on so you can see what it looks like. See how cool that looked? Now let me show you how it works. This is in black and 50 feet in length. However, they have other colors to choose from, as well as different sizes too. I was sent this from Flexi Hose for evaluation purposes and for me to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Happy gardening!